Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Kylie stuff that I got. Only her holiday collection though. So I'm going to be looking at my mirror just while I do it because I have a different setup today. I'm going to insert swatches of the palette when I'm doing this so that you can see what I'm using for colors and whatnot. So I'm going to start with, I have the eyes, the highlight, and lips. I'm gonna do highlight first since that's the last thing on my face that I need to do. I did my full face already. I have this highlight from her and it's in Snow Angel. I'm gonna use my Anastasia 823 to apply. I've never tried her formula and I actually love this. It's so pretty. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and do it on my nose. It's blinding. So this is definitely something I'm gonna invest in more of her highlighters because I love this. So I'm just gonna go into eyes because this is the next big thing that I have for her, from her collection. So like I said, I'm going to insert some swatches of these. Today, I'm going to first go in with Make Magic. And I'm going to take my Morphe M504 and just put this all over my crease. So it's really pigmented. I like the color of this a lot too. So I have not tapped off the excess. I'm not going to either. I'm just gonna see how pigmented it is, and then if I feel like I need to tap off, I will. I'm just going in windshield wiper motions just to blend out the shade. This isn't really a lot that I need to blend out. It's kind of just the placement of the shade. This is a really pretty color. So there is a little bit of kickback, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with Just Chill on a Morphe M330, and it's just a little tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go in my crease with this, and this one I am gonna tap off the excess because it seemed like there's a lot on the brush. I'm just gonna go in my crease and a little bit in my outer corner also. I'm sorry if the lighting's a little weird. I don't have any of my lighting here in New York yet, so I'll be getting that soon so the lighting can be better. And if you can hear the music, I'm sorry. I'm kind of doing it in a V shape in my outer corner. I've never tried any of her stuff like I said in my last video, but I'm starting to really like it. I'm just going back in and blending again. Make sure that I'm blending everything very, very well. So now I'm gonna go in with Buckle Up, and I'm gonna put that in just my outer corner. I'm gonna take more of a flat brush that's a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna take the M433 from Morphe, just so I can be a little bit more precise on where I'm putting it. I'm gonna put that in my outer corner also, just to build up the depth. So the shades are laying on top of each other very well. They're not patchy or anything, they're blending awesome. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So it's really pretty, I like it a lot. It's a pink cranberry color. I don't really know how to explain this color. It's very different from anything that I have in my collection. go in with a shimmer. So I've never tried her shimmer, so I'm not sure how they really work or if they're better with Fix Plus or finger or brush. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger because that's what I usually use for my shimmers. I'm gonna go in with Home Alone. I'm just gonna take it on my finger. So it looks like that. And then I'm just gonna place it on my eyelid. So the shimmer is not my favorite. It's just not really metallic. I don't know if this is supposed to be a topper or not, but it's not like wow, but it's definitely pretty. Now I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush. This is the Morphe R37, and I'm just gonna blend the shades that are above the shimmer that I just put in. I'm just gonna blend them all together and a little bit in the outer just so that they all blend together. And I'm doing windshield and circular motions. This eye is done besides the lower lash line. I would like the shimmers to be more metallic because that's what I like, so they pop more, but definitely a good palette to start with. I mean, I have none of these shades in my collection already, and they're actually pretty different. So, I mean, you can always try it out if you guys are interested in her formula. I definitely think it is worth it. So I'm just taking it on my finger and I'm just having it meet the outer corner color that I put there. So those are the eyes all complete besides the lower lash line. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna try to take the mattes and follow what I did on the top to the bottom and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna take a light wash of the Make Magic with this brush that we used on the upper lash line, just to smoke it out a little bit. If you guys don't do lower lash line, do it because it actually opens your eyes a lot and like does a lot for your face. Like I never used to do it until a little bit ago, and like now that I do it, it's like a game changer, honestly. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the one that I use for Bundle Up, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of Just Chill and a little bit of Bundle Up, and I'm just gonna put that just on my outer corner, connecting it to the outer edge of the upper lid. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just gonna take my R37 and just blend. So these are the eyes, all complete. I'm gonna go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So I just threw on a little bit of Perversion by Urban Decay on my lashes, and now I'm going to do my lips. So she came out with this matte liquid lipstick and this lip liner in Kissmas. It's a little light for what I like, so I also have her other ones too. So I have her gloss in Milk and Cookies, and then I have her lipstick in Cold as Ice. So this one, like I said in my other video, it's cool. I don't think it would really go with this look I have on today, so I'm gonna skip this one, and I'm gonna skip the Kissmas one, but I might use the lip liner. This lip gloss is really pretty. I like it. It has like gold hues to it, so I actually might put this over whatever lip I'm gonna use. But I also got this, which is all her little travel ones. So I'm gonna look at these and see if I like any of the nudes that are in here, and then if I do, I'll use the nude and I'll put this on top. This one is Sweater Weather, and I'm gonna put this one on, and then I'm going to put this over. I'm gonna use the Kissmas as my lip liner. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. So the lip line is all complete. I'm gonna put this on now. So this one is a matte shade. I actually really like it. It's really pretty. It's like a little peachy. It doesn't necessarily go with this eye look, but it's cute. So now I'm gonna take this lip gloss, and like I said, it's in Milk and Cookies, and I'm gonna put this over top. So this is the look all complete. I'll make sure that I have everything listed down below. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and you want to see more from me, just please leave a comment down below and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.